A very good evening, traders. Welcome to M Trading with me, Dilani. This is our first one on 2017. Hope you have a wonderful week in the market. Weekly Forex Outlook and Review for 1st of February to 3rd of February 2017. Aspect highlights this week in the review include highlighting potential opportunity zones in the market, management points, and target. Expecting a great week in the market with a plenty of potential opportunities. Pairs and market analyzed this week in the review: Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and USD CAD. So let's have a look on this week key events. The New Zealand is to publish its quarterly employment reports. The UK is to release data on manufacturing activity. The European Commission is to publish its latest economic forecast for the European Union. The United States is to release the AGP non-farm payrolls report for January, and the Institute for Supply Management is to release its manufacturing PMI. The Federal Reserve is to announce its benchmark interest rate and publish a monetary policy statement. Thursday, tomorrow, February 2nd, the key events are: Australia is to release data on building approvals and the trade balance. The UK is to release data on manufacturing activity. The Bank of England is to announce its benchmark interest rate and publish the minutes of its monetary policy meeting along with its quarterly inflation report. So, the Bank of England kept interest rate unchanged at 0.25% but warned that higher inflation and slower wages growth will weigh in household budgets. The MPC repeats its previous stance that was ready to make monetary policy tighter or looser depending on how the economy evolves as the Brexit process gets underway. Growth is expected to slow and higher inflation will not be translated into wages and inflation expectation. The central bank is expected to hold rates throughout 2017. The Bank of England Governor Margaret Kearney with other policymakers will also hold a press conference to discuss the inflation report. The European Central Bank President Mario Draghi is to speak at the event in Slovenia. Just a week into his new job, Donald Trump has not shielded away from controversy. The new president withdrew the United States from the Trans-Pacific Partnership and has escalated tensions with Mexico. However, the economy is stronger, and if inflation levels move higher, we could see the Fed step in with additional rate hikes, which is bullish for the United States. So with that, we'll move on to Euro USD currency pair. So when it comes to this pair, made a move on higher ground but found it hard to continue. Rising within the main substantial fall. Stay tuned for more information. This GDP and inflation figures stand out in a busy week. Here is an outlook for the highlight of this week and update technical analysis for Euro USD. Data was mixed in the Eurozone with the miss in Germany's IFO measure, and PMI is going on different direction. In the US, Trump's first week in the office was certainly busy with an initial slump in the United States dollar, followed by a recovery. Will the attention on Trump's action continues? Today, key event is manufacturing PMI. According to market pairs, manufacturing sector saw healthy expansion in December 2016, hitting a score of 55.3 points, above the 50 points threshold separating growth from contraction. 55.1 is expected now. Italy, the third largest economy, saw a score of 53.2 points, and 53.3 is predicted. The initial read for France on January stood at 53.4 points. In Germany, the source score price at 56.5 and the Eurozone saw a preliminary at 55.1. Another important event in Euro economic forecast at Wednesday at 10 GMT. The European Union Commission published updated economic forecast twice a year. An upgrade growth and employment for forecast could boost the euro, while a downgrade could weigh on it. When it comes to the technical analysis, this pair made a move to the upside and reached 1.0775, a line that did not appear last week. So 1.10 is the ultimate high level in current trading ranges. It's followed by 1.0950. More importantly, the swing high of 1.0870 is resistance. So we can expect a bullish movement on Euro USD. So let's have a move on the GBP USD. It's continued its winning ways last week, gaining 160 points. The pair closed at 1.2542, its highest weekly close since early December. Here's an outlook for highlights of this week and updated technical analysis. As expected, US GDP in quarter 4 compared to the previous quarter, the economy expanded 1.9%, close to the estimate of 2.1. Unemployment claims and existing home sales mixed expectation, but consumer confidence moves slightly higher, beating the forecast in the UK preliminary GDP edging up 0.6% above the forecast of 0.5%. When it comes to the technical analysis, GBP USD opened the week at 1.2384 and quickly dropped to a low of 1.2380. The pair then reversed direction and climbed to a high of 1.2673 as resistance held at 1.2674. So we can expect a bullish movement on GBP USD. So now we'll move on to the USD CAD. So the Canadian dollar rebounded last week, gaining 150 points. So this USD CAD closed the week at 1.3150. This week key event is GDP. Here's an outlook on the major market mover and an updated technical analysis for USD CAD. So RBC, the manufacturing PMI Wednesday 2:30. The PMI is pointing to weak expansion in the manufacturing sector with a reading of 51.8 in December 2016. Little changes expected in the January report. USD CAD opened the week at 1.3303 and quickly touched a high of 1.3334 as resistance held at 1.3351. The pair then reversed direction as the pair dropped to a low of 1.3052. USD CAD perched higher late in the week and closed at 1.3150. We start with resistance at 1.3551. 1.2908 has held in support since September 2016. So the 1.2763 is the final support line from now. So we can expect a bullish movement on USD CAD. So let's have a move on to AUD USD. So AUD USD posted a modest losses last week as the pair closed at 0.7520. The today's key event is Chinese manufacturing PMI. You know why Chinese manufacturing indicator is important to AUD? Yeah, because China is an important has a partner in Australia's trading. In December, the index edged lower to 51.4. Within expectation, the January estimate stand at 51.2. So AUD USD opened the week at 0.7572. The climb to high of 0.7609. The pair then reversed direction and dropped to 0.7510, testing support below the 0.7513. So we can expect a bearish movement on AUD USD. Okay traders, it's time for me to sign out. Let's catch you on Friday at 4:30 p.m. If you watch this bio, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. For more info, log on to www.mtrading.com. Thank you. Happy trading.